when efforts turns into expectation. Hi Charles here, good morning. It's Tuesday and good luck sa ating lahat. And yes, let's dive in when efforts turns into expectation. So I just want to share something personal again about my work. I don't know why I'm so with this work thingy, but something to reflect on. So last month I was I shared, I was moved to this campaign. Mababa pa yung target, syempre bago pa ako, and thank God I was able to exceed the target 200+%, o diba? So and now kanina may meeting. What happened was it was raised to that level na siya, parang 200% or 150% nung initial target ko last month. So expectation was, because of what happened, I have to understand, kasi parang business needs, kailangan daw parang i-meet yung target. So and fewer people are working, and kaya ayun, yun na yung target ko, while others parang na-move down, parang binabaan yung target nila, but me ito. So medyo disappointing, diba, knowing the fact na wala man lang progression from this target to this target bago mag level up. But parang it's not so fair for me, honestly. That's what I feel. But sige, I just na lang, parang siguro I trust the Lord na lang talaga about this, kasi parang niredirect niya naman ako dito eh. So this is another challenge for me, so siguro I just have to do my best on it, and God will do the rest naman, I'm sure, diba? So yeah, I guess yun lang. May mga moments din tayo sa buhay na ganun, diba? Parang we feel like we're being challenged so much, parang it's not fair, but maybe there's something that parang tinuturo sa atin. That's why we're being challenged into something on this, like sa sitwasyon ko. Siguro trusting more, diba, na I put you there, you can do it, believe and trust me. Parang yun na gustong sabihin ni Lord. So yun na lang yung nilalagay ko sa isip ko, diba? I surrender everything kay Lord. Gagawin ko na lang yung best ko, kasi alam ko naman na I'm doing my best to work as much as possible, diba? Yung lahat ng being productive, syempre, kasi binabayaran naman ako sa work eh. But yeah, yun lang. I guess ganun talaga siguro ang buhay. You just have to accept it na hindi siya pare-pareho, hindi fair minsan, but if you trust and believe, I know God has planned that we don't know, diba? Or baka may gusto lang siyang ituro na kaya mo, Charles, you can push your limits more than you can do better, kumbaga, diba? They're expecting so much of you, and trust and believe in me that you can do it with me. Ganda ng sinabi ko. So I guess yun lang. I trust you, Lord, ko na pong bahala. Sana this time, kung na 200+% ko man yung target na yun, sana, hoping and praying na sana you help me kung kaya 300, 400, 500%, para syempre if I have commissions, incentives that would help me pay my bills and mga panggastos and everything. So ayun lang, dahil ko lang sinabi dito sa video na to. But yeah, good luck for today, whatever challenge you are going through or you have to go through, or bigla ang challenge. Just trust and believe in the Lord. I know makakaya mo yan. Just keep going. Ayun lang. Anyong mama.